Hey everybody, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Well, it's time for Stingaree, and I tell you what, the next week or so, actually 2 weeks, it's wound up down here. We've got Spring Break 2024, and actually, I've been seeing some spring breakers down here this week, here and in Galveston, but next week's the big week. And so we're gonna talk about Stingaree a little bit, about their fresh seafood, their hand-cut steaks, their frosty margaritas, and you can't beat the sunset at Stingaree Restaurant over East Galveston Bay. But one of the great things they have, and it's always family-friendly, is the live music. And so we're gonna talk right now about the live music they've got for the next 2 weeks. That way you can plan ahead with spring break starting this weekend, going through next weekend, and actually some people are the week after that and the week after that, and we're promoting for those out of state actually. So I hope they come down and enjoy our warmer weather than they have up there and some great live music. You know, Stingaree is known for their live music, and it's always family friendly. Down under on the dock of the bay, it's really a great venue to bring the whole family, your friends, the kids, let them have a good time, watch the tugboats go by, and it's always free. And that's the great part about the music at Stingaree Restaurant. So this Friday night, they have Phil Pritchard, great musician, has been playing around Bolivar, and he's coming to Stingaree this Friday night, the 8th. Then on the 9th, we've got one of the all-time favorites, The Lineup. And this is a Galveston band, and I tell you what, if you like to dance, they're gonna get you up out of the chair and get you moving, because they really do a great job and some great performers. In fact, they play at Stingaree about once a month usually. Now, let's skip to next weekend. We're gonna be winding down the first week of spring break, actually the first week of 3 for spring break. And you have Tyler Hodgson, sorry about that, playing on the 15th. And then you have Jake Bush playing on the 16th at Stingaree Restaurant. And remember, you know, you can go upstairs, enjoy a great seafood dinner, shrimp, tuna, steaks, snapper. They have it all up there. Whether it's fried or grilled, they've got some great salads, and their appetizers are unbelievable. But don't walk out without trying 2 things, and that's a frosty margarita, or Stingaree for a smaller version, and the bread pudding. Make sure you leave room for the bread pudding, or at least get it to go, because I tell you what, it's a heck of a snack. With coffee in the morning, maybe a lunch dessert, or maybe that midnight snack that you're looking for, you can't beat it. Made in-house, and the bourbon sauce is unbelievable. So for more information on Stingaree, to see all their live music, go to their website at www.stingaree.com. You can look at their menu that they have. You can actually order online off their website, and you can see the music lineup into the summer. So we do this show every Wednesday at 11 a.m. In fact, they open at 11 a.m. on Wednesdays, and they're open daily through Sunday. They're closed on Mondays and Tuesdays so that their family, their staff can have time with family and friends and get those errands done. But you know, Stingaree's been down here for generations. We've done some shows with Brad talking about the history in that, and we really love making our stop by there on the weekends, usually on Friday and Saturday nights, to see everyone and listen to some great live music, and also enjoy some great seafood where it's fresh. The steaks are hand cut. The margaritas are always frosty. The ice cold beers have that water dripping off them. And I tell you what, the sunset over East Galveston Bay is unbelievable. So for more information, visit their website at stingaree.com, or you can find them at 1295 North Stingaree Road, right here in Crystal Beach, Texas. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us, God bless, and bye-bye.